Hello, greetings from Germany. Today I'm working here on a chime unit from Williams. At the moment I'm working on a Grand Prix from Williams and an electromechanical pinball from 1977. And what what is not usual here in Germany, finding a chime unit inside the machine. Most of the EM pinballs, they do not have any chime units here in Germany. I heard stories that the pub owners in those days, they didn't wanted the noise inside their pubs, and they told the operators not to fit a chime unit. This is very, very sad nowadays. And it's very difficult to get chime units here for your old EM games. No problem in the States or wherever you live in the world, but especially in Germany, it's very, very difficult, and it's expensive to get and buy one. But not with Williams machines. Usually they have the chime unit inside, and I don't know why. Maybe Gottlieb and Bali, they didn't assemble these units in Chicago for the machines which were built for the European or German market especially. Okay, why did I reassemble these chime unit? This is easy to explain, because the sound of this unit was not that good anymore. All in all, the Williams chime units don't have that nice sound compared to Bali and Gottlieb games. This is my opinion. They are sounding clunky. No good sound. Gottlieb's chime units, in my opinion, they are really nice sound, and Bali is okay too. But Williams, of course, are the worst. Do have the worst sound of all three big producers. The reason why the sound was so bad are these, I call it rubber rings, which were placed here on these metal legs with rubber or plastic rings around them, and they are totally dry. And as you can see, breaking already here, broken, and I have to change this, and I'm doing it the easy way, using here these rubber rings, little rubber rings for playfield posts. They are doing their job here and making the unit sound very nice again. To reassemble here the items of these, the parts, not the items, the parts of these chime unit, you have to do following thing. Here, usually you have these rubbers on it, then the big metal plate, afterwards these washers here, plastic washers, and then these plate here, and finally it's all held down with these long metal bar, metal stripe. Oh, not so easy filming here, and oops. Yeah. Okay, it's going here through this little hole on the other side, and then you have to bend these again, that is fitting strong. Okay, and afterwards you have nice sound. First of all, of course, the coils have to be put in, the plungers have to be put in the coils, and believe me, the sound afterwards is very nice again. Not comparable to these old broken pieces here. Sometimes the coils are burned because they are fired by the 10 points, usually 10-point relay, and if there's something stuck on the play field, then the coil here is firing all the time and burning after a while, because it's not made to be fired for a longer time. And this is the worst case, because it's difficult to reassemble if these plunger is burned inside the coil. Not funny. Okay, this was my little explanation here of a chime unit from Williams, how to renew the sound. Try it, and as you can see, the parts are still dirty here, and I'm using here the Red Devil to clean it and have a nice look. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.